Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to create a QR code for your Google form. It's pretty simple to do and I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. So first we have the Google form that I created. You can go ahead and create your own Google form, and what you want to do is once you have the Google form set up and ready to go, what you can do is go to the top right where it says send. You'll see this window appear, and what we want to do is click this link tab right here. Then we want to come over and click on where it says shorten URL. Then go ahead and click on where it says copy URL. And we're going to need this to generate our QR code. So for this, I'm going to use the free QR code generator by Adobe Express. It's completely free to use and you don't need any credit card or anything like that. We can go ahead and click on where it says create now, and I'll have a link for this in the description down below as well. This is going to take us to the generate QR code page, and from here we can go ahead and enter that link that we just copied, like so. And if you want to go ahead and download, you can just click on where it says download right here. You can also change the style of the QR code as well if you want to make the style a little bit different. You can also add colors to the QR code as well, and you can also change the file format for which you download. So you can download it as a PNG, you can download it as a JPEG or an SVG. And if you don't want to download it, you can just actually right click and you can copy the image, you can copy the image address, or you can also save the image from here as well. But that is how you can generate a QR code for your Google form. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.